Welcome to On Chemistry. This is Organic Chemistry series. Daily one question for you. Here you have cyclohexene. It is in the conjugated ketone form, and you have isolated alkene and methyl group. You are reacting with sulphoxy Ylide. You should find what will be the final product. The question is all about regioselectivity. Three different pi bonds are there where the reaction will be whether on carbonyl or conjugated alkene or isolated alkene. Here the chances of 1,4 addition is there because sulfoxide nucleophile is soft, it attack on the fourth position, charge travels and you have O nucleophile, and again the charge travel, sulfoxide elimination. Finally, you have methylation at alkene, so cyclopropane ring form there. The concept you outlined here is soft nucleophile always undergo 1,4 addition. Sulphoxy Ylide is soft in nature. That's all from this video. Thanks for watching. If you have any suggestion or feedback, comment below.